Detectors 1, 3, and 6, you're responding to a 411 reported structure fire coming from the basement. Base 1 battalion on the scene. I got heavy smoke showing. Give me another unit down here.
I'm a fire inspector with the Ann Arbor Fire Department. A fire can break out at any time, and having smoke detectors in your home will increase your chance of escape in the event there is a fire. Install and maintain smoke detectors on each level of your home, inside each bedroom and near sleeping areas. Test your detectors monthly and change their battery every 6 months. And if your current detector is 10 years old or more, replace it with a new one, because protecting you and your family is number one.
Battalion 2 to dispatch. Fire's under control. Everyone's out safe.